everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password for Crunchyroll. If you'd like to keep your account more secure, then changing your password now and then would be a great option to begin. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn the process, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in without any further delay. Open up a web browser of your choice. Make sure you are signed into your Crunchyroll account. To do that, go to the web address bar at the top and type in www.crunchyroll.com and press enter on your keyboard. Log into your Crunchyroll account and you'll end up in this page over here. From the main home page, if you'd like to change your password, click on profile icon at the top right with a human figure in it. Now, from the expanded pop-up menu, select settings and click it on. Right where it says password, you can see that there are 3 text boxes appearing. The first one is to type in your current password. It is the same password that you used for logging into your account. Make sure to type it in correct. And right where it says new password, type in the new password that you'd like to change to. While creating a password, always make sure to create a strong one and make sure to type in the password that is easier for you to remember next time and difficult for others to guess. Right where it says retype new password, type in the new password that you just entered in the previous text box. Make sure that both of these passwords in the new password and retype new password text box matches. Finally, after it does, click on change password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Crunchyroll. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the same password that you just changed to, and that is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.